Preview your app. To preview this app, download our Preview app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Input the app code displayed here in the email address field, leaving the password field blank. Designed for your business. We'll start with a beautiful modern-style home screen that will be relative in design to your business theme or website. Information displayed can be anything related to your business. Homepage background can animate or fade to a variety of different images. Hours and directions. Detail analytics on a particular location. From the app, customers can call, email, get GPS directions, or visit that location's website. Shop. Allow users to shop within your store on the app. Integrate your mobile shopping cart from your website into the app and keep all your sales streamlined. As customers browse and shop, they'll never be redirected outside the app to a browser. This keeps everything intact. Loyalty. The loyalty feature allows users to have an in-app version of a traditional stamp card. Rather than pulling out the hole puncher or scribbling an easy-to-forge symbol, the vendor punches the secret code into the customer's phone to add a stamp. Once users have reached the required number of stamps, they'll unlock the deal. This deal can be redeemed immediately or saved for later. Gallery. Display pictures of your business, customers in your establishment, menu items, or photos from past events. Multiple albums can be created here. Social network. Add your Facebook, Twitter, Google+, Yelp, YouTube, or Instagram page to connect with your users through their favorite social media sites. Social Connect. Users can sync their Facebook and Twitter accounts within your app. This pulls their profile photo and name, which displays, along with their comments and posts throughout the app. It's also a great tool for seamless activity sharing and tracking. Submit photo. Email photo. Users have the ability to email photos directly from their phone to the app. For instance, if you named a tab Party Cam for your mobile app, users could email photos of their favorite moments, which you could then post on your Facebook page. Events. List your weekly specials or upcoming events using this feature. Your customers will be kept up to date with the ability to add those events to their personal calendar. Comments. Fan wall. This is an easy way to increase engagement with an app. The feature allows users to comment, ask questions, and discuss what they love about your business or service. Users can share photos, reply to each other's comments, and view the location of fellow users. Blog. Newsfeed. Integrate current news, links to articles, special offers, and an endless array of useful information here. If available, your RSS feed can prove incredibly useful for users who will check multiple times a day for new content. Mailing list. Stay in contact with your customers by gathering names and email addresses directly inside your application. Information. Display information about your business and how it got started, or detailed information about your staff. Skipper. There's more. As an incentive when you sign up, you'll have access to our Skipper Business Manager app. This will allow you to manage your app. So in theory, you're managing an app with an app. Let's check out some of the features. Once you launch Skipper, simply log into your application's account to view all your users' activity. You can connect your Twitter and Facebook accounts to your business's application also. Interacting with users and enhanced analytics. Send targeted push notifications to your users all from this application. You'll be able to see orders, reservations, and any loyalty interactions users are making from here. See how many users have downloaded and interact with your business's application. Give us a call.